In 1985, BMW knew they had to do something to compete with the powerful, sleek, and sexy Mercedes 190e. Before the M3 was the M535i, and from that came the 210 kilowatt E28 M5. 30 years later, we have the twin-turbo four-wheel drive version. Welcome to the 59-second review of the BMW M5, and my time starts now. Accelerating BMW ever.
It's in a whole other level of fast. 215 on the brakes.
With 0 to 100 coming in just 3.4 seconds. The car feels like a rear-wheel drive, behaves like a rear-wheel drive, but launches like a four-wheel drive.
Oh, that sound now. This is cool.
M5 comes with carbon roof, a new 8-speed gearbox, and optional carbon brakes that'll save you 23 kilograms.
On the downhill now, here we go, 150, 160, 170, 180.
It's the best of everything in one very fast package.
Could this be one of the best cars that BMW's ever made?
441 kilowatts, 11.3 second quarter mile, and a de-restricted top speed of 305. My time stops now.